Hi guys, Paul here. I've got something really special to share with you today. This is one of my most favourite Mustangs we've ever had. Now, the reason for this is we bought this car back in late 2014, and we bought it in a place called Yuma, which is just on the border of Mexico. And it was my great honour, to be truthful, to drive this all the way through the Sonoran Desert up to our offices in Phoenix. And it was about a 4-hour journey, 4.5, something like that. And it was just amazing. It was one of those Top Gear moments where you're just driving it through the desert. I mean, it was hot, don't get me wrong, but the windows down, the wind coming in, cactuses every side, sand, mountains in the distance. It was just an absolutely amazing moment. And I actually love the car. Didn't let me down, didn't miss a beat. It's just absolutely beautiful. We bought it off of a guy down there who'd restored it. And just didn't use it, and that's how we managed to get it. And we drove all the way down to look at the car, and of course fell in love with it. I mean, this stunning colour of Brittany blue with the black interior just really is outstanding all the way through. So we bought it off of him, we got it back. We then sold it to a gent into his sort of collection, and in fairness, never really used it. Since that day, the car's done less than 1,000 miles. It was used really for high days and holidays and the occasional wedding. I think that was about it. So it's something that's really special, and it really is a fabulous car. Bear in mind, this car's 55 years old. Let's have a good look around it and see what it's all about. So as you can see, it's a 66. It's obviously in that Brittany blue. I mean, originally it was in springtime yellow, but obviously the guys that owned it wanted to put it into Brittany blue because it's such a stunning colour, and I can see why. But the rest of the car is very, very original. Obviously it's had the GT grille put onto it, which is great. So you've got the lamps here, you've got the wings, you've got the pony in the corral, all in beautiful condition. All the chrome is gorgeous, and of course it really reflects beautifully. The chrome in this light blue just is absolutely stunning, absolutely gorgeous. But again, for a car of this age, it really is a beautiful example. Again, as you can imagine, it lived all its life or most of its life down in Yuma, and of course that is really desert. I can tell you that really is a desert climate. So no rain, no nothing. So underneath is absolutely gorgeous. But as you can come down the side of it, you can see it's got the chrome side sort of skirt at the bottom, with that beautiful Mustang badge there with the 2.2 on the door. And just have a look down the side, it's absolutely gorgeous. All the door shuts are beautiful, still in really tip-top condition when we sold it. It's literally as good as the day we sold it. It's got these beautiful wheels on it with the spinners, which I don't know if you can see. You've got a sort of two-tone effect. You've got the grey and the silver with a lovely silver spinner on it, which are beautiful. They are obviously more of a modern wheel. But again, as I always say to all our clients, if you don't like these wheels, you want an original Magnum set of Magnums or something like that, it's a free upgrade. We've got about 40 classic Mustangs here, so you can come down and say, Paul, I don't like those wheels, or I like those, and chop and change, and that's what most of our clients do. I particularly like these. I think they're rather nice with the spinners on, which really look good. But if you can come down the back, you know, you can see the Fastback, and this is how they originally came, you know, when they first came out in '64. And sort of that's how it was. So this is really original car. Around the back here, you've got the GT rear valance as well, with the exhaust pipes coming through. Again, it's not a GT, but it has had the GT options put on it. Again, beautiful cap put on here, chrome cap. The chrome bumpers are all in beautiful condition. All the boot and everything else, all the chrome around here is gorgeous. And again, that look from the back is just fabulous, with the little sort of shark fin gills coming through this side, and it just does look absolutely stunning. But an absolute beautiful car all the way through. Again, a genuine C code 289 V8 with a automatic C4 gearbox in it. So it's got the auto, it's got the power of this car as well. And I don't know if you can get in, I should have said this to you earlier, Grant, it's also got rear discs as well as front discs. So they've upgraded the rear discs as well as the front. So it's got great stopping power. The guy who had it had literally rebuilt all the engine and everything else, so it had a huge amount of money spent on it. Really, really beautiful car. But what I'll do is I'll undo the door and we'll have a look inside and see what it looks like inside. Well, here we are inside, very original inside, and as you may notice, this car has got the original steering wheel on it, which is absolutely lovely. I really do like the original steering wheels. They're beautiful, absolutely beautiful, with the chrome pickup there. The dashboard's all as it should be. It's the round as opposed to the square bezels. The dashboard's obviously been replaced and renewed in its time, so there's no cracks or anything like that in it. It's got a lovely center console, you know, with obviously the gear shift here for the automatic gearbox. All in the door shuts is great. The headlining is all like new. Literally, this car has done no work at all since it's been restored. It really is beautiful. The seats are in great condition. This is exactly what they should be. You know, with this sort of weave trim, that's how it would have had them as new. Carpets are all in great condition. Door cards, not warped, they're all beautiful. You know, it really is a special car, this. I mean, obviously, I'm biased because I love driving this car up through the desert, but it really is, it's a really great car to have and own. And if you're looking for the real classic early Mustang Fastback, then this is it. As I say, it's a C code, it's a 289. It was a Dearborn car where it was built, and it was sold into Memphis in 1966. So you can imagine Memphis 1966 with Elvis and everything else. Who knows? He may have driven it. Don't quote me on that. But yeah, it lived in Memphis for a lot of time in its life, and then went down to Yuma, from what we can gather, and spent most of its life down in Arizona, and then hence we brought it back. And it's in the same condition really as we sold it, literally, you know, sort of 5 years ago. But obviously we go through the car, it gets fully serviced, gets looked after, you get a guarantee with the car. But it really is lovely. And let's have a look underneath the bonnet, and we can show you how it's been done there. Well, before we go, I'll just show you the rear seats, as I normally forget. Again, these have the lap belts already in. This can fold down all the way down. So again, you can put quite a lot of stuff in here. If there's just two of you going away and you're doing touring, you know, you can get a good couple of cases in here. So it has got a bit of room, and that's what a lot of people use them for. So just a cracking car, just really, really enjoyable. Great car to have, a great car to enjoy. And as I say, let's have a look at the engine. Right, let's have a look underneath. Here we go. Again, beautiful condition all the way through. As I always say, you can always tell how the paint work is by how they finish these sort of areas. And this is absolutely beautiful, as you can see, and reflects gorgeous off this air filter with 289. Got 289 V8 in here, beautiful. It's got, I don't know if you can get in here, Grant, but it's got some beautiful headers, Cobra powered by Ford, which is really nice, which used to be on the Shelbys and things like that. So really lovely. Rocker covers on there. Again, we've got power steering here on this car. So you've got automatic, you've got power steering, you've got front disc brakes, you've got rear disc brakes as well. So you've got all the things that you would like to have, like on a modern day car. Rear disc, front disc, they're both power steering as well, and automatic. So a really nice car to cruise in. As I've said to you, I did thousands of miles in this car. I really enjoyed it. Great fun, and possibly could be yours. So why not give us a call, 01273 493 860. Have a chat with me, come down, have a test drive in it, see if you like it, and buy yourself one of my favourite cars, I have to say.